In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Chrome tabs from disappearing or moving into the inactive section automatically. If you've ever opened Google Chrome and noticed some of your tabs or tab groups suddenly missing, don't worry. So first, open the Google Chrome. Once Chrome opens, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings. Now scroll down a little until you find the section called Tabs and Tab Groups. Tap on it. Inside this menu, look for the option called Move to Inactive Section. When you open it, you'll notice Chrome is probably set to move tabs after a certain number of days, like 7, 14, or 21 days of inactivity. That's the reason your older tabs seem to disappear, even though they're not actually deleted. To stop this from happening, simply select Never. Once you choose this option, Chrome will keep all of your tabs visible all the time, even if you haven't opened them in weeks or months. This is really useful if you keep important pages open for work, school, shopping, or anything else you want quick access to later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.